Oh guys, here's how to get the white color on your gorilla. So what you want to do is put the color code to 991, and then you want to, and then to get my cute look, you want to get this hat and the he logo for free in the shop over there.
I want
But
to keep my cosmetics.
yeah. But my actual color code, if you want it, 9,
Go over there to that
4,
yes, and go over there, and then
3.
hey, yes,
This is my color code, 943.
hey, yeah, no, I
I think it's actually 942 or 942. Yeah.
Up the DC. Close next. Pet people. Beach.
Monkey Biz. What's this? Play paintball in beach. Collect ghost cores as a crew.
Hey bro,
Throw
you watch
snowballs.
Hey bro. Orange, you watch me on YouTube, I'm K8.
What?
You watch me on YouTube, I'm K8.
What?
I'm a YouTuber.
Can I walk away?
I'm a video.
Not yours, but yeah. Just kidding.
Okay guys, yeah. That's gonna be a fit for play. Want to see more good tag tutorials. That was a great. Anyways, bye bye, and yeah.
No!
Bye.